Hello guys, I just got in the door from the store and I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from ALDI's. Okay, this is sort of a random haul and it was a spur of the moment trip because I realized I did not have any salad stuff in the house whatsoever at lunchtime today and that we had ate it all. So I went and picked up a few things that will get us through a little while. So I've got the infamous ground turkey that I always buy. Let's see, we got 2, 4, 6 things of that. Got a thing of 2% milk, 2 packages of mild cheddar cheese shredded, 2 packages of the turkey bacon, thing of blueberries, a package of mushrooms, onions, 2 things of peppers, 1 cucumber, celery, and 2 packages of the Caesar salad mix that I absolutely love. We got this here light mayo, 2 things of the banana peppers, Italian style breadcrumbs, and the canned food is 2 evaporated milks, 2 carrots, 2 peas, and 2 green beans. Got a package of the whole wheat spaghetti pasta, some whole wheat tortillas, some plain Greek yogurt, the low fat, a case of Diet Coke for me, a package, or I should say a bag of russet potatoes, a thing of almond butter, because I bought myself almond butter, but I think somebody else ate it, some pancake mix. I bought these blueberry puffs for my granddaughter Ella. I had originally bought the strawberry ones, but she found out that she is allergic to strawberries, so I bought the blueberry ones. Bought some animal crackers for Skylar because I bought some animal crackers at the Dollar Tree the other day, and he ate every single one of them while he was here yesterday. 2 bags of the caramel rice cakes. And then that right there, those ramen noodles are Dylan's. And he stocked up on those because he loves those. He eats those all the time. And that is all that I purchased from ALDI's. And I'll show you how much I spent. Okay, there's my total. I spent $89.76. Not too bad for ALDI. This will get me through for a little while. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this haul. Hope y'all are having a fantastic, blessed day. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video if you enjoy my hauls, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye guys.